I used to fail at every goal until 3 rules changed my life. Got big dreams like hitting the gym, writing a book, or starting a side hustle. But every day you hit a wall. You say, tomorrow I'll be disciplined. Tomorrow comes, nothing changes. Sound familiar? Today we'll crack the code on how to build discipline with 3 rules that transformed my life. This isn't just try harder advice, stick with me. I wanted to get fit, learn a skill, stop scrolling. But discipline felt like a superpower I didn't have. I'd start strong, then crash. If you've watched a goal slip away, this is for you. These 3 rules turned my chaos into progress. Let's dive in. I thought discipline was willpower, grit, pushing through. I'd watch motivational videos, get pumped, and say, this is it. But by day 3, I was back to snacks and shows. I felt like a failure, like I wasn't that person. Maybe you felt that too. Here's the truth. Discipline isn't perfection or endless motivation. Motivation fades. Life's messy. I hit rock bottom one night, staring at a blank laptop, unable to write. My brain screamed, you're not good enough. I was fighting myself. To build discipline, we need a new approach. Then I met Sarah, a friend who had it together. She wasn't grinding 24/7, she was calm, steady. I asked, how are you so disciplined? She said, I don't rely on willpower. I make it impossible to fail. Her secret? A simple morning checklist: wake up, drink water, stretch, write 1 sentence. Tiny steps that stacked up. That flipped my perspective. Discipline is consistency, not perfection. Here are the 3 rules that became my lifeline. Rule 1, start small. Start so small it feels silly. To get fit, I did 1 push-up a day. Just 1. It tricked my brain into starting. 1 push-up became 5, then 10, then a workout. Why? Tiny actions build habits. Want to write a book? Write 1 sentence. Eat healthier? Add 1 vegetable. Make the first step easy, you'll keep going. I went from dreading exercise to loving it, all from 1 push-up. Rule 2. Design your environment. Your space shapes your choices. My desk was a distraction zone. Phone pinging, snacks everywhere. So I changed it, moved my phone, kept a water bottle, laid out gym clothes. These tweaks made good choices easy, bad ones hard. Want to read more? Put a book on your pillow. Stop scrolling? Hide apps. Set up your space to win. My productivity soared because my environment did the work. Rule 3. Celebrate wins. Celebrate every step. Sounds cheesy, but it works. Your brain loves rewards. After a task, I'd say, you crushed it, or grab a coffee. After a week of push-ups, I bought a workout shirt. Small rewards kept me hooked. Try it, high-five yourself after a win. It rewires your brain to crave progress. Discipline becomes fun, not a grind. These rules: start small, design your environment, celebrate wins, changed everything. I went from failure to habits that stuck. I'm not perfect, some days I slip. But discipline is showing up, not being flawless. You can do this. Picture yourself a month from now, your book's growing, your workouts are routine. Start with 1 small action today. Here's my challenge: pick 1 goal, use these rules. Start tiny, set up your space, celebrate every step. You're building a life you love. Like this video if it helped, subscribe, and comment your small step below. I'll read every one. Let's keep going together. Thanks for watching. You've got this.